Bengal Pride. A continuing mission to seek out and destroy enemy teams, build spirit, and to boldly go where no team has gone before. Captain's log, starting 129.93. After returning from a 3-month patrol in deep space, the Bengal Pride and her crew have been called upon to escort a group of Federation athletes to a competition. They are scheduled to meet the feared Viking warriors, the outcome of which will determine who dominates this quadrant of the universe. Open two-way communications.
Allow me to give your Federation athletes a token of Viking goodwill.
Scotty, lock on coordinates and beam the package aboard.
Aye, sir.
To the bridge, immediately.
Spock, what do you make of it? I don't know, Captain. It's highly illogical.
Bones! Do something!
I'm a tough turnout miracle worker. What do you expect me to do?
Bones, you've got to think of something.
I'll analyze your Gatorade and see what's wrong. Jim, these people will die in an hour if we don't hook them up to the engines. We've got to purify their blood with the lithium crystal. Scotty has to boost the power.
Kirk, to engineering.
Stop, Peter.
Scott, get up here on the double.
I'll be right there, sir.
On screen.
Well, Captain, I see your wrestlers are in no shape to beat my Viking wrestlers. It appears that victory is ours.
Ray shields, ready photon torpedoes, and phasers.
Ooh, never fired at us!
We need more power.
I'm giving all the power I've got.
Spock, you gotta help me. I'm losing control of my ship. Spock, you gotta help me.
Divert auxiliary power to the main shields.
Yes, sir.
Fire photon torpedoes at the enemy warship.
Right away, sir.
On screen.
Please, cease fire! Our weapons are destroyed and we sustain heavy casualties. Help! Help!
Reload the photon torpedoes.
Prepare to fire.
Aye, sir.
Thank you, Spot.
I'm releasing your ship so that you can take this message back to your planet. Our wrestlers are invincible and will defeat anyone we put up against them. Treachery cannot stop men of strength and valor. You would do well to remember that. Scotty, how are the athletes doing?
Thanks, the lads are doing just fine. And they'll be as good as new in half an hour.
Sulu, set course for the Viking planet, warp factor 1.93. Spot, estimated time of arrival?
2 hours, 34 minutes, and 14 seconds.
Sulu, take us out of here.